Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will discuss about what really happens when you submit a new SQL job. When you submit a new SQL job, the usequel compiler takes a look at the script and creates an input plan. So the input plan will be like to divide the job into individual units called a vertex. So for example, you submit a new SQL job and it creates an input plan which basically divides your job into vertices. So suppose my job is divided into 4 vertices. Now while submitting the job, you would also have allocated an analytic unit. So those analytic units will be assigned to your vertices, and once they are assigned, your vertices will be running. So for example, I submitted a job with one analytic unit. Since I allocated only one analytic unit, that analytic unit will be used to execute this particular vertex. When this is executing, the other 3 have to wait because there are no more resources for the other 3 vertices. Once this vertex is done, then that analytic unit is released from this vertex and assigned to the next vertex. In the same way, the job proceeds and it ends when all the different vertices have been executed. Again, vertices working on the same data, they will be grouped as a super vertex. Okay. So this is called a vertex. Each individual unit is called a vertex. If the vertices are working on the same data, they are grouped into what is called a super vertex or a stage. For example, our plan could be like this, or our plan could have 2 different stages. Right now it has only one stage. So if it has 2 different stages, then what it means is that the first 3 vertices or first 2 vertices, anything it can be, are grouped into one stage called S1, probably it can be, and the second stage has only one vertex. So each of this is a stage. So this is stage 1 and this is stage 2. And more DAUs, more vertices will run parallelly.